Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for budget forecasting. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the Projects tab. This is where we'll be setting up our budget forecasts. The reason we start here is because budgets are typically allocated on a project-by-project basis, making this the perfect place to begin our forecasting journey. Now that we've done that, locate and click on the budget icon. Here, you will insert your estimated expenses for each project. This helps us because it gives us a base number to work with as we forecast our budget. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you input, the more accurate your forecast will be. Next up, we'll use the Time feature. Click on the Time tab to input the estimated time you believe each project will take. The reason we do this is to create a correlation between time and budget. The more time a project takes, generally, the more it will cost. Once you've filled out the Time tab, you'll want to navigate to the Forecast feature. This is where Teamwork.com uses the data you've input to help generate a projected budget. This tool is incredibly useful because it allows you to visualize potential overruns or underspends before they happen, helping you stay on track financially. Lastly, make sure to regularly update your project expenses and time as the project progresses. Teamwork.com will automatically update your forecasts, helping you to stay ahead of any budgetary issues. Now let me explain why this matters. By regularly updating your data, you're essentially refining your budget forecasting. This leads to more accurate predictions and helps minimize any financial surprises down the line. In conclusion, using Teamwork.com for budget forecasting involves setting up project expenses, estimating time, and regularly updating your data. This powerful tool can help you stay ahead of your finances and ensure your projects stay within budget. That wraps up our guide to budget forecasting with Teamwork.com for 2025. Remember, stay on top of your data and let the software do the heavy lifting. Happy forecasting!